Alright, so in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Zillow for beginners in 2026. If you're completely new to real estate apps, don't worry, I'll keep it simple and step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open Zillow on your browser or download the app from your phone's app store. Once you open it, you'll see options like buying, renting, and selling homes. Now start by typing a location in the search bar. It can be a city, neighborhood, or even a specific address if you already have one in mind. After that, browse through the listings that appear. Each listing shows photos, price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and basic property details. Next, you can use filters to make your search easier. You can set your budget, choose property type like house or apartment, and select how many rooms you need. If you find a property you like, click on it to open full details. Here you'll see more photos, description, price history, and sometimes even estimated value information. You can also save listings by clicking the Save button. This helps you compare homes later without losing track of them. And if you create an account, you can save searches, turn on alerts, and get notified when new homes match your criteria. And that's it. Now you know the basics of how to use Zillow as a beginner. It's actually very easy once you get used to it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.